The Living Management Project is the capstone project that is delivered by our full-time MBA students. It comes off the tail of them receiving all their core foundational courses. So basically strategy, finance, marketing, sustainability, and then they are able to really apply the theory they've gained in the first 6 months of the program in a real-life business project they work on in tandem with the businesses that we contract with. We work with companies like Google, like Unilever, Philips, Signify. This year, we have the pleasure of working with AkzoNobel.
The Living Management Project was the highlight of my MBA program so far. It was amazing to get real experience, to getting to work with AkzoNobel, this amazing Dutch multinational.
So the challenge that they have with this program is it's kind of unique. In one end, because we're working in sustainability on itself is extremely challenging. Secondly, it's about downstream emissions, right? So it's about working with our clients to help them become more sustainable.
So the expectations out of us were competition analysis, market research, looking at the strengths and weaknesses of the current program, identifying the gaps and providing feasible solutions.
I'm a firm believer that you should learn by doing. For them to give me an insight about my project and how I can work with my clients without engaging with clients, without engaging with products, it's going to be useless.
David, our client, made sure that we were able to put our hands on the vehicle, literally. They gave us the opportunity to understand their pain points by experiencing the job. We were able to repair a small part of a car, which is very nice. I hadn't done it before. So they also allowed us to visit a body shop. So we were able to actually see in first hand how the body shops, at least in the Netherlands, work.
We saw how cars are actually painted, and I've never thought that repainting this is going to emit a lot of CO2, and there are companies actually bothered about it and working in a positive direction to reduce it. And when I went to the workshop, I realized, yeah, this is how they do it, and this is what sustainability really means.
They can also experience and feel firsthand what is this of a body shop? What does this mean? What's the complexities attached to it? Because sometimes it can seem very simple and you can draw it on a board, but nothing like experimenting it.
The project is happening as we speak about it. It's a living problem for the organization. It's not something on papers. They're looking forward to incorporate our strategies and solutions if they are feasible.
We're giving them a big challenge, but also great minds will come with great solutions, so that's my hope.
LMP has tremendous value for both the students and the companies. For students, it gives them an opportunity to sharpen some of the skills they are going to need later on. And it gives them a break from the academic work that they have been doing for the past half year. Furthermore, it connects them to business leaders, it connects them to companies and to potential opportunities for employment later on.
I'm very grateful for the opportunity, and I'm even considering now other industries. And that's at the end what an MBA experience is about: gaining exposure, being able to have openness, to understand that you can shift and pivot in your career. And LMP project made that for me, because now I'm even considering exploring this industry after I graduate from this program.
One thing that stands out for me about this LMP is it's not just about solving a problem for client. We had a team coach who let me know how I'm performing in a team. I also have a one-on-one coach who let me know how I'm doing individually. And then of course we have the faculty coach to rectify us technically, and then this god of consulting, Nicholas, to help us.
We've been doing Living Management Project, or LMP, for quite some time now, and as we have gone through various iterations of Living Management Project, we're quite confident that we have the winning recipe.
What I really like to see is some of the students stepping forward, and then you see real leaders emerge. Real leaders ready to make impact, to be a force for positive change.